How to fix this PC can't run Windows 11, easy bypass, TPM, secure boot, RAM, and storage. So if you want to fix the problem of this PC can't run Windows 11, if you want to bypass the TPM, then here's the process. First, get the Microsoft Windows 11 ISO file and make the bootable USB. You can use tools such as Windows Media Creation Tool to perform this operation. Insert the bootable USB, restart your computer, and boot from the driver that is USB. When you're asked, choose the language of your installation. After that, press Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt. This will open a command line interface where you can enter your commands. Open up your registry editor by tapping regedit at the command prompt and press enter. To access the key needed to bypass the TPM check, first you need to navigate to HK local machine /system/setup. Then right-click on setup and select New Key. Name the new key Lab Config. Inside Lab Config, right-click the right pane, select New dword 32-bit value, name it Bypass TPM Check, and set its value to 1. This value tells the Windows 11 installer to bypass the TPM check. Now carry out the same procedure for Bypass Secure Boot Check and Bypass RAM Check, assigning to them the value of 1. This will cause Secure Boot and RAM checks to be bypassed. Registry editor and command prompt must be closed before Windows 11 installation can continue. If they are closed properly and your hardware is 100% compatible, you shouldn't see any error. You should then be able to install your Windows 11 on your PC. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.